Morning, guys. Morning. It is 8:37 in the morning. I've only got 4 hours of sleep, and we are up this fucking early to head to Cars and Coffee, Santa Clarita, Porsche dealership. Yeah, I don't normally do this, but I haven't gone to this meet before, so this is something different, something new. Yeah, I might do another intro because I'm tired as fuck right now and whatnot, and it's loud, it's stupid early. But yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. Intro number 1. Bow.
Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
So guys, I made it to Santa Clarita with the 240, but I think I broke something in the transmission because now it's making a very weird rattling noise that I do not like at all. Fucking A, man. I've only had the transmission for like less than a fucking month, and it's already making a weird ass fucking noise. I'm sick as hell. Man, I'm tired. I'm about to fucking toast this shit. I'm not putting no money into this bullshit. I swear to God, I'm not. Nope, I'm done. I'm done. Let's go find some fucking coffee around here. See who's all here. It's nice. It's very nice here. Let's go meet up with the homie. He's over here somewhere. Damn, that BMW is nice. This BMW. Damn, this shit's clean. They got the red interior. That's crazy. But this Mustang's cool too. Or not. Oh, that's cool too. Got the vented fenders. Sweet. With the carbon fiber lip on the. It's crazy. Damn. What up, gang? Bruh, I think I broke my fucking. Yep. Weird. Damn. Hey, where'd you get the tent?
Oh, it's a shop where I'm from.
Oh, snap. What are these? Are raised? There, where'd you get these?
Tuesday.
This shit hard. Tuesday?
Yeah.
What'd you get it for?
The wheels alone, like you know, OEM like CRs are 2100.
They are?
Yeah,
Fuck.
and then the chrome plating. That's like a band right there, dude.
Yeah.
You know how much I got it
How much?
for? 2K with tires.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Facebook Marketplace?
Huh?
Facebook
Yeah.
Marketplace? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where I got all my deals. Damn, this shit clean. Damn. Where's the coffee at? Oh, we got some Porsches here. Got photographers, whatnot. My homie's car is pretty dope. Nice blue S14. Pretty chain. Check out this green Porsche though. Jesus. GT3 RS. So nice. Rich. Well, look, another GTRS. Jeez. There's a downstairs? What? Let's go see what's down. Look at this. GTRS. GT3 RS. Clean. Wow. I got a little underground garage over here. Jeez. Oh my god. Can you go in here? Yeah, you can. Dang, look at this. This is where the money's at. Okay, okay. Wow. Clean, clean. Okay, okay. Okay. The rich. Sheesh. Another GT3 RS. It's a show car underground garage. This is wild. Oh my. This is wild. a little purple GT3RS. The table would be spinning right now, but it's not because they have it off. Welcome to the Porsche Museum. Dang, imagine being that rich where you're trying to sell a car and you got your little own conference room. That's crazy. Okay, folks, what are we gonna sell today? That's wild. Is that a spark plug? Oh snap! Well edition Porsche. That's nice. Dang. So many different colors, so many different styles. You got a race car Porsche over there. Got old school convertible Porsche right here. Jesus. It's literally a garage full of Porsches. Well, it's a museum, actually. Oh wow. You're gonna be a die-hard fan to have one of these for your kids. This is awesome. Man. So nice. So cool. And they're all manual. That's crazy. Manual. 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 I hear that. That shit is loud. That shit is whistling. Golly. For your turbos to be that loud is insane. How is that even possible? Oh, it's just straight off the back of the motor. That's crazy. That sounds like a truck. What the fuck? Damn, that's crazy. Wild.
So much labor.
What else they got around here? Let's see.
Or maybe
They got a whole race car in the parking lot over here. Little GT2 RS, I believe. Was I right? No, GT3. They got a whole race car in the parking lot. Dang, that's crazy. What? What? Yeah, what the heck? Oh, and it's turbo? Dang, that's crazy. Is it dual turbo? Or single turbo? Oh, it's dual turbo. Dang, what? That's insane. That is insane. GT3RS. Oh, look at the doggies. You got the nice yellow Mercy Largo over here. Dang. Sick. Clean. Rare. This is nice. Dang. Forza Horizon. Oh, it's got the carbon fiber? Sheesh. I can't see that, but the Aston Martin? Sheesh. Nice little Aston Martin. Damn. In the R8. Sheesh. A little Bentley. Oh, there go the freaking Aventador. Damn, rich. God damn. Sick. Oh, damn. Imagine I would have got that on camera. I did not see this full carbon fiber GT500 over here. This is crazy. Yo, what the heck? Damn. Mike, this could be you. Damn, that shit is crazy. Damn. The detail is crazy. Carbon fiber, everything. How the heck is that even possible? The rims down to the body. That's wild. That Nissan over there, 370. Oh, it's 350Z. I think I know that car. I recognize it. I swear I've seen this car before. And it's got a Tome. Oh, damn. Sheesh. Fresh Kicks, is this you? Damn, I feel like I know this guy. This is a crazy color. Oh my god. This shit is sick. It's like a seafoam green. Damn, you got the red SS. That's clean shit. This white body IS is cool too. Sheesh. That shit's hard. That's dope. That's dope. The GTR. Damn, is that a Tome? Is it a Tome, dog? Damn. This shit is so hard. Oh my god. Wolfie, where you at? Then we come into the everyday car lot. Got a little Grand National, that's wild. Jesus. Ooh, look at the nice Shelby GT 5.0 or Shelby. Oh, Shelby. Clean. Nice BMW. Either bros on bags or bros on bags. Damn. See, I should have did that. I was gonna do that. Is that a Tome? That's dope though. Sheesh. Nice little BMW. Nothing crazy, just your everyday cars. You got a nice little race Corvette over there. God damn. This BMW is sick. Sheesh. Oh, GTR. Damn, who this? This is clean. Right next to the RX-7. Damn. And the S14. This is nice. This is nice too. Any Zinky? Damn, so rare. You hardly see these. That's wild. Mr. Right Hand. Okay guys, that's it for this meet. I am headed out of here. I'm gonna go home and check on my transmission to see that I didn't break it. If I make it home, we will see. Stay tuned. Yeah, I'm in this here. Once again, thank you for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you want to see me do next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Bow.